Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where I'll be showing you how to configure your radio player and Facebook player. All of our radio offers include a radio player that you can customize and embed onto your website in order to allow your listeners to easily listen to your radio station. Our radio offers also include a Facebook player that you can embed onto your Facebook page. Let's start by taking a look at how to configure and export the radio player. To access your radio player, head over to Share Player in your Radio Manager. Here, you'll see a number of elements that you can customize. Start by choosing a main color. This corresponds to the background color of your player. Then, choose a second color. This corresponds to the writing on your player, so your song title, artist and play button will appear in this color. You can also choose the format of your player, so whether you'd like it to be horizontal or vertical. If you want to modify the size of your player, you can do so here. There are also several options that you can choose to activate on your player. Activate the Display the Cover option to show the album cover of the current music on your player. If the cover is not automatically retrieved, a default cover will be used. Enable the Sharing on Social Networks option to allow your listeners to share a track directly on Facebook, Twitter, and via email. Activate the iTunes Purchase button to allow your listeners to buy the current track on iTunes. You'll then receive a counterpart on this purchase, but bear in mind that you'll need an iTunes affiliate ID. Allow your listeners to vote on whether they like or dislike the track that you're playing by enabling the Like button. You'll find the votes under Statistics, Music in your Radio Manager. If you want to display the number of listeners on your radio player, activate this option here. Bear in mind that your number of listeners must be public in order to post it. To do so, head over to Settings, Security. Activate the Display Pop-up option to allow your listeners to open your radio player in a pop-up window. If you want to display a shadow on your player, activate this option here. Once your player is configured to your liking, simply click on Save and generate the code at the bottom of your screen. You can integrate this code directly onto your website by copying and pasting it. To customize your Facebook player, head over to Share Facebook Player in your Radio Manager. Bear in mind that Facebook now requires your page to have more than 2,000 likes in order to create a new page tab and integrate the player. The configuration of the Facebook player is extremely similar to the radio player. You have the same options when it comes to the design. So you'll be able to choose one main color, one secondary color. The Facebook player also allows you to choose a background color. Select whether you want your player to be horizontal or vertical. You can also choose to enable various buttons on your player, such as Display the Cover to show the album covers of your tracks, Sharing on Social Networks so that your listeners can share a track directly on their social media, iTunes Purchase button. Enable this button to allow your listeners to buy the current track on iTunes, for which you'll receive a counterpart if you have an iTunes affiliate ID. Like button, so that your listeners can vote for the tracks that they like or dislike. Display number of listeners, to show the number of listeners in real time. Display pop-up option, so that your listeners can open your radio player in a pop-up window. Display the shadow, to activate a shadow on your player. Once you've finished customizing your player, click on Add the Application button to add it to your page. You'll see that an integration key has been generated underneath. You'll need to insert it when requested by Facebook. Here's an example of the radio player on Radio King's Facebook page. And there you have it. You now know how to customize and embed your radio player and Facebook player. Any questions? Head over to our knowledge base for more tutorials. They are categorized according to the tabs of your Radio Manager. Thanks for watching!